Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I was going to do I am going to do a sustainability haul with you. So it's a fashion haul, a clothing haul, but all the brands that I'm showing you are completely sustainable, ethical, natural, vegan and cruelty free. So a lot of them are using plant dyes as well. They're all made of like linens or organic cottons or hemps. All of the brands that I'm showing you, I'm really proud to be sharing with you because they are honestly doing so good, but especially in the fashion industry, slow fashion, it's hard and it's expensive and it takes a lot for the brand to be able to do that. So I feel like if any brand is really into advocacy and sustainability and being an environmentally friendly brand, and that's one of their highest values, it actually costs the brand a lot to do that energetically and financially. So it's expensive to create beautiful products from natural sources. Unfortunately, like that sucks that it costs more to produce natural items than it does to produce kind of regular fast fashions. But it's something that's become a really important value to me personally. And so it's something that I'm really excited to be able to share with you and hopefully inspire you about some of the alternative brands that you could use and support. And that's what it is. It's when you buy something from a brand, you're supporting that brand and what that brand stands for. So that's something that's become important to me, especially over like the last couple of months more recently. And so I'm trying to kind of update my wardrobe and implement as many healthy, natural, ethical, sustainable products and brands as I can. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So this is outfit one. It's from ZINGARA. It's a jumpsuit that you wrap around itself, so it's got a hole on this side and you thread it through and then tie it all around. The back. Ta-da!
Really
and the front. Ta-da! It's just really comfy.
It's like if you're doing art, I can imagine you doing like painting. Like a beautiful view.
And the good thing about this label as well is that they use all botanical dyes to dye all their products. Outfit number 4, also from ZINGARA. I love this little one. So it's just a nice little comfy t-shirt dress with your removable rope. Tied around the waist, give it a bit of shape. Last but not least, a little, what's this called, a play suit.
Play suit.
I feel like I might need to wear some swimmers with it.
Yeah. Alright, it's a play suit for sure then.
Or a shirt underneath maybe. But I love it. Absolutely love it. It's so light. So this little outfit's from KEHOE, the label. It's kind of like it's a 2-piece set, so a little shorty. And the top is kind of like a kaftan or kimono inspired like wrap. Long sleeve arms, a little bit of a bell sleeve. And full linen. And then I got the same top on but change pants. So these are just some black pants by KEHOE. Really comfy. And then this little number is from OAKIE, the label. I love that it's got pockets. Fun pants because they're flat, like they kind of move and they're fun. Back looks like this. And I'll show you the same outfit but with a skirt instead of the pants. I actually wore this one the other night with heels and I felt very feminine and pretty. So this one's from NATURA, the label. Again, pockets. I love pockets. And the top can be worn a couple of different ways. And I like this so you can wrap it around a couple of times. Really cute bright orange, like rusty kind of red colour. And we've also got a wrap in the same colour. So if it gets cold, you can take this with you, wrap it all around like a cocoon, and you never get cold. This would have to be my designated either beach or mum dress. Like you put this on and you do mum chores. Like you clean the house, read a book, lounge around. That's what mums do, right? They just lounge. Clearly I haven't had kids yet. Go to the market, carry a cute little bag full of green groceries. So this little number is one of our friends, Lucette, owns an eco and sustainable clothing label, fashion label, And this is it, it's called the Wild Woman. Got some very cute bell sleeves. Nice wrap around the waist, give you a bit of shape. It's a bit longer at the back than it is at the front. And this one's from a brand called TIJANI Luxe. I really like all their stuff that they've got. There's some simple white, cute 3/4 pants. Really loose, comfortable around the waist. And then a cute little tie top. It's the same top from TIJANI Luxe with a cute little skirt. This one is the dress form of amazing. It's so soft. Glitter's in the right line. This one's from a brand called ARAMINTA James. Got little pockets in the shorts. And then the top's more fitted but also really kind of relaxed. This one again is ARAMINTA James. Nice relaxed jumpsuit. It's got ties that you tie up yourself, so you put them through a loop and then you can adjust the straps to whatever length you like. So this one's from HEMP. Cute little top. And a matching black skirt. This one's the same skirt, but with a new top, the bell sleeve top. This is one of my favourites. And it comes with a matching scrunchie as well. This is another little one from the HEMP Temple. Kind of like a picnic dress. Where'd you go?
Doctor got me.
And this is the last one from the HEMP Temple. It's got a tie. I guess you can tie it at the front or the back. I prefer it at the front though. And I kind of like that it has a higher neckline. Put your necklace on top of it. And that's the back. The last couple that we have are from OPIA. So we got this little kind of olive number. I call this olive. Stuffed olive number. It's stuffed with me. We got this one. I wore this one yesterday barefoot running through a field in the rain. And it was really nice. It's again like a nice deep honey mustard colour. I love mustard. The condiment and the colour. And then this shirt is from OPIA, and then I'm just wearing it with a regular denim skirt that I got from an op shop. And second last one is another top from OPIA. You can wear it up or down. I think I like it down on the shoulders. But again, it's that nice deep olive colour. And last but not least, Lewis says this one's a mum dress. He says all the mums that drop their kids off at Waldorf wear clothes like this. But I like it. Really comfy. Kind of like a smock. You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. These last couple are from the BYRON. So it's just this top. I just paired it with some denim shorts so that I didn't have, so that I had some pants on, I suppose. The buttons sleeve at the wrist. No, the sleeves button at the wrist. Again, all ethical, vegan, sustainable, really, really beautiful light material. Buttons down the front. And then we've got a plain tee in black, which is a hemp and cotton blend. So you can obviously just like tuck it in. Nice and casual, very comfortable. Very comfortable. And then I've always wanted to do this. We also have the same t-shirt in white. I did it. So this is again the hemp and cotton blend. Amazing basics. I love a good basic tee. This is like my kind of style, just tee and short. And then this one is another hemp and cotton blend. It's got some slits down the sides. Ooh, show off your legs. It's got a couple of buckles at the back on the straps. And this is the charcoal colour. And then we got the same one, but this one is in the maple colour. And last but not least is this jumpsuit. So this is the charcoal colour again. No pockets or anything on it, just plain and simple. So that is it from me. That was the first eco-friendly sustainability ethical clothing haul that I've done. So it's formerly known as slow fashion because they're not turning out new stuff all the time. It does tend to be more expensive stuff because it's made with love. They don't make as much of it, and it's made with so much care. So all the pieces that you get, they're always, I've never found a piece that is sustainably and ethically made that isn't beautifully crafted. They're normally dyed with plants and natural botanical things like that. Yeah, like I would totally recommend, at least, you don't have to go all out and like get rid of everything else in your wardrobe and replace it. But start making more conscious choices around what you are purchasing and what you are putting onto your body. So if that means just next time that you go out shopping, not going to a typical clothing shopping mall and looking into places like Byron Bay has a lot of different ones. Online you can find a heap. I'll put all the links to the different stores and the different brands down below, so you should be able to scroll and look in the caption and find any of the brands that I just showed you pretty easily, so that way that you have a couple of ideas of what you can get for yourself and how the items look on. And you can start taking a couple of steps towards a sustainable and eco-friendly wardrobe. That's it. I love you. Love you. I'm gonna leave you.